What's up guys, welcome back. So today we have Hitter by Conan Gray, and this is actually the acoustic version. It just came out 12 hours ago. You can actually see him playing the guitar, and it's actually a lot easy, so you can actually figure it out from there only. But still, if you just have a look over here, it's capo on the 6th fret. This one is super easy, but the capo is on 6th fret. It's a lot high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the chords we need for the song are 5. So let's quickly have a glance at the chord shapes, and then I'm just going to show you the rhythm which goes throughout the whole song. But before that, have a look at the structure. We start off with the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and the chorus. So very nice structure, but don't need to focus on the structure because he's doing the same string pattern, he's doing the same chord progression throughout the whole song. So the first chord is a C, which is mute 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And next chord we have is the E minor, which is 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. And the next chord we have is the E minor, which is mute 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Then we have a F, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then we have a F sharp minor. Now he plays it in a very easy way, and obviously you can also play that like that. So it's actually, the chord is 2, it's actually 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1 with a bar over here. But to make it easy, he also played it like this, which is 3, 3 on the A and D, then 1, 1, 1 on the B, G, and high E string. And you can just play first fret with your thumb over here, or you can even just omit that, and that's it. Now the chord progression will be a C major, then an E minor, then an A minor, and now we have a F major, and we just transpose it to F minor. So it's a bit different transition over here. I'm just gonna explain you in a minute. So once more C, then an E minor, then an A minor, then an F to a F minor. Now the string pattern, just have a look at this. It's a lot important. It's actually down, up, 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 down. Now let me break this. We start off with doing one down on each chord. Hold the C major chord, do one down. Now you have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up, down. So we got down, then we have up, down, up, down. Now we're just gonna play that up, down 3 times after doing down, up, down, down. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, you're just going to do a up down, and quickly you're just going to move on to the next chord. So it's like up down, like when you're just changing from the next chord, you can just do the down over there. So like down, up, 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 and you move on to the next chord, you do the down, and you have the down, up, down, up, down, down. Like that it goes. For the F, we just play down, up, down, down. Sorry, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And then you just do one down on the F sharp minor, rest for there, and then you just repeat that whole chord progression once more. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now down, up, down. Now you can even add another down after the up, down to make it more better, just to play it like him. So it will become, now just have a look, this is the actual version. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down. That's everything for this lesson. If this helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Let me know in the comment below any other song that you want to learn on guitar. Subscribe because I just want to reach 1,000 subscribers in this month. I know it's a bit hard, but you guys can actually do that. And I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.